Hello and welcome back to my channel. Geez Louise, my name is Louise and today is the 13th of December and it's also Friday the 13th. Luckily I have no plans other than this package. So let's just see what's inside. So I have the prompt right here and it says an oasis in the desert. And let's see what the supplies are. I have 2 sticks of candy cane and they are in the shape of a spoon, which is really fun. You can put it in hot cocoa. I have a ruler. I have 2 sheets of paper, and I also have this book which is how to draw wild animals, so that's really cool, with the prompt which is drawing an oasis in the desert. So let's just get going.
here's an overview of the finished piece. As you can see, there are quite a lot of animals on here, and I didn't use the ruler. I actually totally forgot about that one, but I think that's fine. And the marker didn't react too well with the paper. It bled a little, as you probably saw over here. I tried to fix that by drawing lines on the palm trees. So I decided to use colored pencils for the larger areas where I just needed a block of color. And I really think it's the animals that should be in focus in this one, and I actually really enjoyed this, but it just took way too much time. But I do love the end result, and if you did as well, remember to hit the like button. And if you want to follow along on my Broke Artist Christmas calendar, remember to hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification, so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. Yeah, so I really just hope you enjoyed the video, and as we say in Denmark, hej hej!